packaged everything up in nice plastic mailers, which I actually reuse these because I think that they come in handy. Even though I have my own, why not reuse stuff? The first bunch of things I got, oh, this is so cute. No tags, J. Crew, heck yeah, and it is a, I think it's a tunic top or a dress. I believe it's a dress. And it's really see-through, but I think if you throw a slip underneath, it'll be so cute for like cruises. But yeah, this retailed for $69.50 and it's a size small and it's regular J. Crew. So I am excited about that. That's a great start to the haul. Next, I got a Leon, which is usually sold at Anthropologie, or it used to be. I think they sell some pieces from them, but they also sell it at Marshall's and TJ Maxx now. But I'll check the RN number. So this one isn't an Anthropologie piece, but it's still really cute. And it's navy blue, and it has like a textured look to it, and it has like the little drawstrings right here that go down that also have the same texture. And this is a size medium, if I remember correctly, and super cute. I think this will be great for like business casual. Next, I got this Victoria's Secret pink extra small bright pink thermal, like waffle knit thermal. This is actually really cute and it's in great condition from what I can tell. Really like it. First great 3 items. And then the last part, I got another Poshmark sticker and a business card. And the first thing is yellow and it's Banana Republic. It's a size 12 and it's a yellow peplum top and it has a zipper on the back. I have sold Banana Republic, and I have one other Banana Republic item from my Story of Erica mystery box. That was my last video. Actually, I'll link it up in the cards. I think that if I get a few more pieces in my closet that it will sell faster. That's kind of like my theory with things, so excited about that. Next is another J. Crew piece, and it's J. Crew Factory because it has the 2 dots underneath, and it's a size 4. And then this is really cute too, more of a career style top. Or you could even wear this like in the spring. And it has ruffle around the collar and also some buttons. There's 2 up here and then there's 1 in the middle here. And it's a sleeveless tank top. Super cute. And it's also like ivory. And then we have some Toby, which I haven't picked up before. And it's ringing a bell, so I don't know if it's I haven't heard of it. Wait, what? It rings a bell, but I haven't heard of it. Check the facts. No, I've heard of this brand, but I haven't picked it up. But they are size 28, and they're super cute, like high-rise, or, well, let me see. These are probably like mid-rise cut-off shorts, and these are super cute. And this is like the time that people are starting to buy things for spring break and stuff, so I think these will sell. And I got the Made and Loved Loft jeans, which I've never found before. And these are a size 28 as well, or a 6. And they're boyfriend jeans. And they're also cut-offs. Well, actually, no, they're not. But they're folded up at the bottom and like raw hemmed, which is really cute actually. So that's the detailing on the bottom. Oh my gosh, and it's the button fly. I love that. I didn't even catch it. So these are really unique and cool. So I love those. These are so cute. I wonder if they'll fit me because I might keep them. I'm not a size 6, but we'll see. So that's everything that I got from Ashley, and I'm so excited to try and sell these things. I haven't been thrifting since I think last Friday, and I got only like 2 things to resell. So it'll be good to list these things and get some Poshmark love going. But if you want to check out my closet down below, I'll also link my Mercari and Vinted and Depop down below, and you can maybe catch yourself a great deal. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Sending all the love and light, and thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate you watching my videos and giving me the love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.